AutoRocks proudly presents a digitally enabled ecosystem to transform car service experience for your garage. AutoRocks, our cloud-based garage management solution, can be used via mobile app or web version. No separate hardware installation is required, your regular PC and mobile device would be sufficient. Using the comprehensive yet simple dashboard, your workshop manager can get a complete bird's-eye view of your garage operations. Create a new job card for a new walk-in customer here. In this page, you can enter the basic vehicle details for which the service is to be done. Also, the job card data can be auto-populated if your customer has visited your garage earlier or via API integration with your in-house customer application. Once all the vehicle-related information is filled, you can now prepare an estimate for the services to be done. Some of the services you perform could be bundled into packages for quick addition of parts and services. These packages can be pre-programmed at a corporate level, based on the service packages created by your admin. These packages can be mapped to specific vehicle make, model, and variant to ensure correct consumption of spare parts. Once you have selected the package, voila! The services and parts from the package are added instantly to the estimate list. You can also add additional services apart from the services from the package. Once the services are added, your customers can approve the estimate line item-wise or reject the estimate if there is any discrepancy from the link that is sent to customers. The approval from the link is synced real-time and updated in the garage management software here. Once the services are selected, you can assign these services to your technicians and track their productivity effectively. Assignment of repair time can be automated based on integration to your internal repair time catalog. You can also tag each technician with their skill set so that you can assign the right person for the job to be done. Once the services are added and the estimate is created, the next thing you would want to do is to get parts for the service. AutoRocks allows you to order, inward and issue parts for your job card based on the availability of parts in stock. AutoRocks allows to order or issue parts based on the availability of parts in stock. Once the parts are issued, you can check the status of repair by choosing the service you want to check. Job Queue gives you an overview of all the services which are yet to be started or which are under progress. You can filter the incomplete jobs and start the job which needs to be completed. The start and end time of all the jobs will be shown here, thus helping your workshop manager to track and fast-track any pending services. Service technicians can also pause the service on account of spares pending or any other issue. This entry will be reflected in the detailed technician productivity tracking reports. Once the service is completed, you can complete the job process to proceed further. Once the service is completed, you can create the invoice here instantly. You can also make a note of payment collections from your customers. You can easily print important documents such as work order, estimate, pro forma and final invoice. Once the invoice is generated, you can close the job card and make the vehicle available for delivery. AutoRocks helps you to manage your inventory end-to-end, from ordering the parts, to issuing the parts for services and tracking stock efficiently. You can sort and choose the parts to be procured based on the supplier you wish to buy from. AutoRocks provides seamless experience for parts procurement by the virtue of integrated ordering with keyword, SKU, part name, fitment-based search and one-click order generation. All the parts that you selected are populated in the order page instantly. With just one click, your order is placed right away. Once the order is placed, you can monitor the real-time order status on the dashboard here. AutoRocks provides comprehensive reports at both an individual service station level and at the corporate level. AutoRocks presents useful insights on the refurbishments completed, based on various reports related to type of service, vehicle model and spare parts used. These reports can be further configured to your business requirements. With AutoRocks you can Generate quick repair estimation. Conduct repair analysis and approval. Track repair status. Manage spare planning and procurement. Ensure technician and resource productivity. And have a dependable and trustable solution. We seek to add value to your garage. With AutoRocks. Let's go digital. Save money. And grow your business together.